Okay, so let me just give you the full background of the agriculture credit facility. It was set up in 2009.
Okay.
And by government of Uganda in partnership with the commercial banks. Not different from the recovery fund or COVID money. Uganda Development Bank, microfinance, micro deposit taking institutions and the credit institutions, all referred to as participating financial institutions, to facilitate the provision of short, medium and long-term loans to projects engaged in agriculture and agro-processing on more favorable terms. Because the other monies that we're giving in the commercial banks, if you go to a commercial bank, they will tell you you'll have to borrow from 25 to 30%. But this has been simplified by government that it has to be an interest rate of 12%.
Wow. 12%, that is per annum.
Yes. And the main objective of this SCF is to promote commercialization of agriculture through provision of short and mid-term or long-term loans or for credit facilities to those who are engaged in agriculture. So if you're in grains, if you're in trade, if you're in agro-processing, modernization of agriculture or mechanization of agriculture, then you actually qualify to be able to get this money.
The reason why government came in again with this agriculture credit facility, first of all in terms of production, but also boost agriculture in terms of value addition. And I can tell you without any contradiction that we have so many factories now that are processing our produce years from here. And I'm happy that Bank of Uganda is here and they are even facilitating grain trading. And I think the facility is around 10 billion that people can get a loan of 10 billion from this facility. So, and value addition for those who want to add value, in agriculture. So once these facilities, and I'm happy with all these participating banks because government puts 50%, they also put 50%. So meaning that these banks that I think the minister will go through are really facilitating their investment in the country.
So when we were designing this program with the Ministry of Finance, for fairness, we said every Ugandan should stay where they are and the money finds them there. We didn't say we need this money in only this bank, this one. So everyone accesses the money
where they are.
From where they are. But if you are in a bank that does not, do small loans, you might be in a big bank, you can open an account in another bank and access this money. But we wanted you to be in a bank that knows you, knows your integrity, knows your business, knows your cash flows, so that it's easier for you to access the loan immediately. As the minister says, this started in 2009. And as we said last time, we wanted the banks to participate in this because the central bank cannot reach everyone from where they are. You don't have enough branches. And so that's how the banks came in and also to contribute to this facility. So the banks do contribute 50%. The credit institutions do contribute 30%. So if you are not a commercial bank, you do 30%, the government does 70%. And so it is available to everyone from where they are. That's why we included commercial banks, credit institutions, microfinance, deposit institutions. And I wish also to tell you that the law for licensing of circles will change and the big circles will come to Bank of Uganda. When this happens, then they will be added to the list. So that circles, big circles can also access this money for their members. Right now, they can access through the commercial banks, but when they come to be licensed by Bank of Uganda, it makes it easier.